Institute of Cerebral Palsy will be celebrating its 46th Founders Day. What a wonderful occasion. 46 years is a very long time. It's a very long time to carry on a very special kind of work that IICP has been performing. It calls for protracted commitment, calls for passion, and a deep sense of service to enable people with disability. And this organization has done that admirably well through its various different services, its outreach programs, therapy, and by enabling people to lead productive lives in society. All you need to do is take one quick look at their website to see how many individuals with difficulties, with disabilities, have made great lives because of the support of IICP. So on this occasion, I extend my heartfelt best wishes and my deep-seated respect to the Institute for Cerebral Palsy. Thank you.
The first pages of IICP history was written at the Baliganj military camp in 1974 with a school for children with cerebral palsy. Since then, IICP has expanded its range of institutional-based and community-based services for persons with disabilities. It is my pleasure to introduce you to the senior management team in IICP, the heads of different services in IICP, family services, school services, social services, and therapy department will provide an overview of their work.
Family services work done from May to 18th of October. From 1977, this department is a multidisciplinary service that focuses on supporting parents by facilitating skills and knowledge for effective home management of the child. The Early Intervention Clinic gives services to children aged below 3 and family services for children above 3 years. A holistic approach provides therapy, multisensory experiences, communication, the speech and language stimulation, and early learning through structured play to intervention is done in an informal play-based environment. During the period when the direct services were closed due to the viral pandemic, online support was provided by professionals to almost 200 families. Zoom meetings were successfully conducted on activities like daily living, use of teaching aids made at home. Individuals' needs in many domains were met by demonstrations videos on play, communication, cognitive skills and mealtime management. Exchange of videos allowed for corrective measures to be implemented. For those families who had no access to the smartphones, sessions were conducted over a regular feature phone. Children enrolled in the family services also participated in the IICP events, online events like celebrating of Rabindra Jayanti, Independence Day and the Vriksharopan. Thank you.
प्लेट इसमें से प्लेट कौन सा है? हाँ, हटा दो, साइड कर दो. हाँ बेटी, कंघी कौन सा है? कंघी. हाँ, उसको साइड कर दो, साइड करो, हटाओ. हाँ. अच्छा बेटी, चम्मच कौन सा है? चम्मच जिससे तुम खाना खाती हो, चम्मच कौन सा है? हाँ, हटा दो, साइड कर दो. बेटी, पाउडर कौन सा है जो बदन में लगाती हो?
The department works on physical and functional management for children and adults with an emphasis on posture and sitting. Parents are taught the therapy program to ensure effective carryover of all exercises and therapeutic advice. Hydrotherapy, an integral aspect of therapeutic management, is coordinated by therapy department. Constant supervision is provided to ensure proper positioning for wheelchair users to optimize functional abilities. Training is conducted at all levels and all therapists provided supervisions of interns from India and abroad. During the extended lockdown and till date, professionals worked from home to keep regular contact with parents. Inputs on therapeutic and functional management were given through video and phone calls to parents of the early intervention clinic. Zoom meeting and webinar on telehealth services, parent-teacher meetings, inclusion of AAC, taking Bokia forward and were attended by members of the therapy department. Videos are made as per individual requirement and uploaded. Pictorial handouts in English and Bengali were made on mealtime management. Lifting and carrying of adults. The department arranged the transfer of a wheelchair and special chair for the use of two beneficiaries from economically disadvantaged homes to facilitate mobility at home.
The Social Service Division serves as a link between the parents and professionals and provides emotional support for children and adults with cerebral palsy and other disabilities. We counsel children and parents, provide support during crises, help families to access entitlements from the government, facilitate income generation schemes for mothers, coordinate medical clinics and organizes awareness program through orientation. During the last 6 months, social worker were in regular contact with families to offer support during these challenging times. Online counseling sessions continued for both children and adults. Distribution of anti-epileptic medicines and dry rations for needy families were planned and implemented. Coordination is done with doctors on issues of epilepsy as per the requirements of the parents. Follow-up of the renewal of government ID cards for beneficiaries was carried out.
বাবা আইআইসিপি নুসরাতকে ভর্তি করে অনেক উপকার করেছে। নুসরাতের মেডিসিনের দায়িত্ব এবং লকডাউনের মধ্যে রেশন ব্যবস্থা ও স্মার্টফোন দিয়ে অনলাইনে ক্লাস চালু করে আমাদের দুশ্চিন্তা থেকে দূর করেছে। ধন্যবাদ আইআইসিপি।
Children aged between 2.5 and 5 years from underprivileged families in the neighborhood attend our Jugnu Play School and Nutrition program. All services including health checkup is provided free of cost. Activities include early learning skills, games, art and craft, music, dance and social skills. Mothers are given advice on hygiene and healthcare.
Center for Special Education is an inclusive school for children with disability and typically developed students from economically disadvantaged homes. There is a wide range of curriculum to meet the diverse needs of the students. Students are divided into two groups as per their age and ability. Academic unit and Education and Development unit for students requiring non-formal life skill oriented curriculum. Headed by a multidisciplinary team of special educators, physiotherapists and social worker with support from IT team, CSE provides a broad-based holistic learning experience for its students. This year, IICP had to close direct services as per government mandates for COVID-19 from 21st March. School closure did not prevent students from learning in a new and supportive environment. From April, teachers started virtual classes to continue with term goals for their students. They made every effort to provide innovative teaching learning material which could facilitate and enhance the learning process in the online sessions. WhatsApp groups were formed for each class and a weekly timetable set for 2 hours every day. Out of 144 students, 116 students attended and benefited from the online interactive sessions.
দিগন্ত মিডল অ্যান্ড সিনিয়র একাডেমিক্সে পড়ে আইআইসিপিতে। লকডাউনের পরে ওদের অনলাইন ক্লাস শুরু হয়, যেটা আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে, কারণ আমি প্রথমে ভাবিনি যে এরকম একটা প্ল্যাটফর্ম স্কুল আমাদের করে দেবে, এবং এর ফলে ওর অনেক ইন্টারেস্ট গ্রো করেছে এবং ও সম্প্রতি একটা অনলাইন জাভা কোর্স করছে এবং নিজের থেকেই ওর এই ইচ্ছাগুলো তৈরি হয়েছে। হয়তো সেগুলো এই অনলাइन ক্লাস এগুলো না হলে সেটা হতো না।
मेरा नाम चांदनी सिंह है। मैं एलिस्टो में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं पहले ऑनलाइन क्लास अपने पापा के फ़ोन से करती थी, लेकिन पापा ज़्यादातर बाहर रहते थे, इसीलिए मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती थी। लेकिन जब से स्मार्टफ़ोन मेरे स्कूल आईआईसीपी से मिला है, तब से मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लास करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है।